Welcome to online classes. The topic of today is saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. What are saturated carbon compounds? When all the valencies of carbon are attached with different elements, that is, only single bond is formed between carbon and carbon in given compound. Then the compound is called as saturated compound, such as ethane. The name of this compound is ethane. Ethane only single in ethane only single bond is formed between two carbon atoms and the octet becomes completed as shown in this figure. In this electronic data structure, so single bond is expressed between two carbon atoms. It is example of saturated hydrocarbon, ethane. It is a saturated hydrocarbon. Why hydrocarbon term is used? Only hydrogen and carbon, two elements are taking place in bond formation, in the formation of a compound. So, such compound is called as hydrocarbon. If hydrogen atoms are lost, two hydrogen atoms are lost, or more than two, four hydrogen atoms are lost, then for completion their octet, the elements takes place in bond formation by sharing of 2 and 2 electrons, 4 electron of this carbon, 4 electron of this carbon. 2 and 2 electrons are taking place in bond formation because due to lack of hydrogen atom, for completion 8 electron, 2 electrons of carbon taking part in bond formation like this one. Resulting double bond is formed between two carbon atoms. Now two hydrogen atoms are present with both the carbon, so it is expressed as CH2 and two electrons of each other are taking place. So double bond is formed between two carbon atoms and ethene is formed, which is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Similarly, if 3 and 3 atoms, 3 and 3 electrons of both the carbons taking place in bond formation, then it is ethene now because two hydrogen atoms are lost. If 3 and 3 electrons of both the carbons taking place in bond formation, then it is also unsaturated and called as alkyne group, and the compound formed here is called as ethyne. CH triple bond here, 3 and 3 electrons are taking place in bond formation. So the compound formed is called as ethyne. Unsaturated hydrocarbons unsaturated hydrocarbons have two groups, alkene and alkyne. Alkene group contains two double bonds and alkyne group contains triple bond, such as in ethene, only two carbon means eth. Ethene and ethine, it is bonded by 3 and 3 electrons, by sharing of 3 and 3 electrons. And triple bond is formed between two carbon atoms. So the compound is called as alkyne. Two carbon, alk, eth. And triple bond is a group which is expressed by yne. Ethine is obtained. That is, it is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Alkene and alkyne. These both groups are included in unsaturated hydrocarbons. And alkanes are saturated hydrocarbon because all the valency of carbon are attached with hydrogen and single bond is formed. Now it will be clear to all the students by learning this topic, as I think so. If any problem is being created, then you can ask with me without any hesitation. Now, next point is chain, branches and rings. Chain, branches and rings. I have already told you that carbon have ability to express, to form the compounds in long chain, like this one. And these valencies are free. You can attach hydrogen here. Then the compound will be formed, is called as hexane. Long chain, such as formation of hexane, just you can see here, like this one. It is long chain compound. It can be in the form of chain also, like this one. It is also expressed as CH3, CH2, 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 and CH3. It may be expressed in the form of chain also, like this one. One of the chain is formed. The branch is formed by all these 6 carbon. The name of this compound is 2-methyl pentane. This is the example of branch. Branched carbon containing compound. Branched carbon compound. And all these 6 carbon may form a cyclic compound also, that is called a ring, such as and it is called as cyclohexane. It is called as cyclohexane. Ring compounds, branch and straight chain compounds you have already seen in this topic. And further, some of the compounds are also given to express their dot structures and their structural formulas, CH2 may be expressed as CH2 or 2 hydrogen like this one. Such are such. Both are the same things. Benzene is also one of the cyclic compound. Each node contains one carbon and one hydrogen in benzene, like this one. And triple bond, and 3 triple bond, double bonds are present, like this one. Because 4 valencies of carbon are completed by 3 double bonds. Any problem? If any problem is being originated, then you can ask with me in classroom or on my given number. Thank you. Thank you very much. And we will talk about next day. Will you be my friend and homologous series? We will talk about such topics in our next class. Thank you. Thank you very much.